Hello guys, so now I will speak about the database in which we will store our crypto values pairs. So we will use for our localhost development, we will use MySql. MySql is free, so this is convenient for sure. Then is ideal for small and large application. Our application, I consider it large because if you run your code for 2 months, you will see that you have many gigabytes of data, so it's quite large. And it is an interactable database, so it's very important for us. In fact, it supports also Python API. So, in order to get our MySql app, we have first of all to install XAMPP, which is the development environment. So, once you installed and downloaded and installed XAMPP, you will have here to open your control panel, start your Apache server, and then start your MySql app. Okay, now that you see the running port of your MySql database, you can click on admin and you have this page. So for example, here I have this structure and I have all these databases. So this one is the database, crypto value pair 11, for example, or crypto value pair 23. And inside my database, I have all my tables. So if I open a table, you see that I have 2 fields. Here the structure is, okay, I create my database that contains all the set of cryptos that I monitor. And then I create, for each crypto, I create a table. And in each table, I place the value and the timestamp of the correspondent value of the correspondent crypto. Okay, so here you see how many lines you have. I show you the entire database. You see here how many lines you have, almost 7,000. And I run this program only for 3 or 4 days maybe. So here you have the size. So you can imagine if you run your app for 2 months or 3 months, the size will become very high. And here you will have the limitation of your hard disk size. So if you have, for example, 30 gigabytes available, you can arrive up to 30 gigabytes of data. Okay. So here you see the server on which your app is running, which is the local server, so the localhost that is simulated from our PC. And here on the Python scripts, we have to interact with our database. But this topic we will see next time. Okay, thank you.